And that question says, how can the traditional learning system, like the traditional way of learning, how can it be turned be turned into what, let me say, can be turned into a tool that can get better result or purpose in our institutions nowadays, especially in this Gen Z regime. Thank you, sir.
Okay. How can we better? How will I put it now? How can we better use the traditional system of education? No. Okay, so why the traditional system of education is built on curriculum, right? So if we have better curriculums, right, better curriculums that is more competence focused, I believe that, I mean, we would experience some major change, right? Some very major changes, right? There are institutions like that that are not the traditional settings that offer such level of, such level of training. Yes, they are not really traditional schools that per se, but they offer some, dynamic curriculum. They have very dynamic curriculum. Yes, the shift is happening gradually, right? The shift is happening gradually. You see some school now, they call them Montessori schools. There are some schools that are coming out, they are changing the pattern, the system, making it more, you know addressing emotional intelligence, addressing competency, even from, from cradle, from little children, trying to put them into team, making young people understand how to work in a team. Gradually we are shifting, right? So, and that shift is basically within the curricular system. So the more we begin to shift the curriculum, the more we begin to adjust the curriculum, the better the traditional system would fit into the dynamic system, into the dynamic world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,